I hope you saw this video I put up yesterday on New Year's Eve. And from the comments I'm getting on the videos, I think some of you are understanding, but I think the majority are not. Nvidia is reinventing itself. Jensen basically figured out that he had a product for sale, and everyone he put on the shelf was selling as fast as he could, but they were selling to basically 7 customers. Well, a TAM of 7 is not does not create a sustainable business, because what he's realizing is these 7 people, Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Meta, are all going out and finding people to engineer or serve as architects to create GPUs that fit their specific needs, because Jensen is just charging too much for his, and they are off the shelf. And Amazon wants one that is specifically designed for them, as does Google, as does Microsoft. And so they're going out and hiring semiconductor architects, Broadcom being one of them, and saying, make us a GPU that fits exactly to our needs and bring it in cheaper than what we have to pay Jensen. Well, Jensen is then saying, wow, my business is going to dry up. It's not sustainable. I sell a product. A product to 7 people is not a sustainable business. What he has to do is sell a good or a service to you and I. That's what those 7 people do. They make their living off of you and I, because there's billions of us rather than 7 of them. So what Jensen has decided to do, and if you'll look at his hiring habits over the last 2 years, he's increased his workforce by 33%. Why? Because he's creating a product that you and I can pay $2.99 in a month for. He's going to call it a AI agent. It's going to be inside of our Dell or our Hewlett-Packard laptop or desktop or a tablet, that is going to provide us a dumbed down GPU that will provide us with an AI agent to take care of everything we want done. It will be our concierge. It will be my Samantha. It will run my business. It will be my assistant. It will be my advertising manager. It will be everything I need. At the same time, it'll buy our groceries. It'll book our cruises. It'll pay our bills. It'll analyze our bills and say, hey, you aren't using YouTube TV anymore. You're going directly to Netlist. You need to cancel YouTube TV. It will do all that. And Jensen will charge us $2.99 a month. Otherwise, his business is not sustainable. It's not. I don't know. What do you want to call it? A Polaroid camera? I mean, someone's going to replace it. He's got to sell a service. The success of the big people, the behemoths, the tech behemoths, is they sell you a service for a monthly fee. And they sell it to a TAM of not 7, but 7 billion. Okay? Today is New Year's. I just wanted to share that with you. If you haven't seen the video I did yesterday, which was much longer and goes into more depth, but you need to understand. So what do you do with Nvidia? Well, first of all, you come to my website and you learn more through the deep dive that I did. And then you go through those deep dives, because as this changes, it's going to change the atmosphere within the whole semiconductor AI universe. And so you want to be on top of it. And you can do it in several ways. One, you can read all the articles, you can read all the reports every morning, or you can get an AI agent who will read them for you and then summarize them in a podcast. And you can listen to the podcast on those 60, 80, 100, 2,000 stocks that you follow. Or you can come to Best of Us Investors, and I'll do it for you for $19.99 a month, $95 I think it is. And I'll give you 14 days to look at it and see if it works for you. If it doesn't, that's okay. Go your own route. But I'm here to help you by, I guess, understanding what I'm seeing. And Jensen's reinventing Nvidia. He has to, or he'll disappear. just like Polaroid did.